Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how RC will go through the process of verification and correction, add vernacular name, boundary holder details, and add property details after the applicant has uploaded spot verification. Go to the property registration website and log in using your credentials. This is the dashboard of RC where you can see the status and taskbar showing the applications at each stages. Click the SV Report Uploaded tab on the left-hand column. There click on the View Report and Manage tab. In here you would have to verify the application starting with the applicant details. After that, verify property details. Click the Edit button to edit the details. CATIAN and CASA number can be selected from the drop-down. Verify the total area and area to be sold. Rest of the entry will be calculated automatically. Then click the Add button. After that, click Save and Continue. Owner details will be autofill, so move on to the buyer details. Click the Edit button. There click on Edit Buyer Details. Verify the necessary details, and in name vernacular you would have to enter the name in Nepali. After checking the details, click Save and Continue. You can also verify the attached documents by downloading and verifying it. After that, verify spot uploaded by the applicant. Drop down the task, whether you want to upload the SV, return the application to the applicant, or reject it. You also have to verify that the spot verification report, geotagged image and sketch map is authentic. After that you will have to enter boundary holder. If KHASA number is available you can also enter that. After that, fill in the remarks and click Submit button. Confirm the submission by clicking Yes. The application has been forwarded and SV report has been uploaded.